Oh, hi there. I'm Dave, and I'll be guiding you through installation of the iotega panel. Now, I have to admit, I've never installed this particular unit before, but hey, that's what instructions are for, right? Let's have a look.
You're here already. I'm sorry, I got a little behind there. I was stuck narrating a beer commercial.
Hello?
Up here.
I don't see anything.
You won't. I'm the epic narrator guy. I'm omniscient, all-knowing.
All-knowing? Wow. Someone's a little full of themselves.
The actual name is Nick. At least that's what the screenwriter seems to prefer.
Oh, well, hey, Nick. I take it you'll be leading this parade then?
Yep, I'll be talking you through this. So let's get this party started before someone decides to press the fast-forward button, shall we?
Sounds splendid.
Before we get to the actual installation, we need to set up the iotega panel software first. This can be done using any device you have. In this case, Dave has both a laptop and a smartphone.
I'll be using the laptop to start.
So your Smart Tech dealer portal is cloud.secure.direct/SmartTech. You can sign in using the dealer credentials provided by SecureNet Technologies. You will now create a new customer and user account.
And I shall.
Create an account by expanding the Account section in the left sidebar. Select Search Accounts to access all accounts. Select Add Account in the top right corner of the main Accounts list panel. From the Add Account screen, assign an account ID. To assign an account, choose one of two options. Number 1, Auto Assign, which assigns the next available account ID within your dedicated account range. Or number 2, Manually Enter ID. Enter the preferred account ID by entering the account number in the Account ID field.
Auto assign selected. Do I win something?
Just my undying respect.
I was hoping for a toaster.
So now, set the panel type to iotega for the iotega panel. Enter the basic account information. All fields marked with an asterisk are required. All details should be of the property and master account contact. Site phone may be set as mobile.
Entered.
Phase 1 complete. Now we need to assign a service plan. Without a service plan, this would be...
Like pudding without a spoon?
So anyway, the service plan you will select here is provided by the dealer. Select Next. If all the required fields are complete, you will see a complete confirmation message. Press Finish to add the account. In the Account Summary page, select Go Live to start services. This will activate the service functionality and start billing. Note, if you are creating the account in advance or wish to start services at a later date, do not select Go Live at this point. You can later select Go Live at any point to begin services.
Good to know.
Okay, now we need to add a gateway. To add a gateway, select System in the left sidebar. On the System page, select Add Gateway to bring up the Add Gateway panel. Set the panel type to iotega for the iotega panel.
Seems logical.
Now enter the panel ID. It can be found on the back of the unit. Enter only letters and numbers. Don't use any dots, dashes, or spacing. Press Done to add the gateway.
Gateway added.
Now, to create a master contact.
Ooh, master contact.
To create a master contact, select Contacts in the left sidebar. From the Contacts page, select Add Contact and complete the form. Select the Master checkbox. Remember, all fields marked with an asterisk are required. Next step, username and password. Assign a unique username and password which will be used for the customer to access both the end-user website and mobile application. The username must be between 3 and 32 characters long and can include alpha, numeric, or the @sign, underscore sign, and periods. It's now time to create a password, which must be between 6 and 16 characters and can contain only alpha or numeric characters. Ooh, nice passcode. Very sophisticated.
Thanks. It's kind of my thing.
Now, in the Alarm User section, set User ID to Master and enter the panel access code. Note, if you are installing a new panel, the default master panel access code will be 1234. Now select Done to create the master contact. Following the initial activation of the system, the contact information and panel codes can be edited from the Contacts page in both the dealer portal and end-user customer web portals.
Done.
Great. That section is now complete. Need a breather?
No thanks. I work out.
Well, all right. Now we need to find a place for the panel. Select a suitable location that is a flat, stable surface. The iotega should be placed near a power outlet. Now, turn the panel over to pull the plastic tab to activate the battery.
Battery is working.
Connect the Ethernet cable to the port on the back of the panel. Connect the other end of the cable to the wireless router.
Done and done.
Connect the barrel jack of the plug-in adapter to the power connector on the back of the panel. Route the power cable through the strain relief channel on the bottom of the panel, and then plug the adapter into an AC outlet. The iotega will power up once it's connected to AC power. The power-up sequence time will vary depending on a number of things, mainly network speed, mood swings, and the exchange rate on the dollar.
Mood swings?
Mainly network speed. The power-up sequence is as follows. The integrated keypad numbers illuminate until the iotega is fully powered up. After approximately 50 seconds, the power LED illuminates.
Houston, we have liftoff.
The Ethernet link speed LED illuminates steady green, and the Ethernet link activity LED flashes rapidly to indicate that a connection is being made to the cloud. After a few minutes, the remote connection LED illuminates steady green, or flashing green if installer access window is enabled, indicating that a connection has been established. For more information on LED indicators, see controls and indicators in the iotega installation manual.
A great read, I might add. I could hardly put it down.
Now, we need to verify communications by reviewing the LED lights on the iotega panel. Power is displayed with a steady green light when AC power is connected. Ready to arm is steady green when partition is in a ready to arm mode. A steady red light indicates the partition is armed and is off when partition is disarmed or audible alarm annunciation is off. Steady yellow light is on when system troubles are present.
We are green like Kermit the Frog.
So now go to Panel Settings in the dealer portal to check the system communication status. Select the menu in the top left of the window next to the SmartTech logo. Select Accounts. Choose Search Accounts. Select the appropriate account. Under the Accounts menu, select Panel Settings. Wait for the system communication status to load at the top of the page. If necessary, choose Refresh Online Status or Refresh All to update the status. Once loaded, it will read Online in green or Offline in red. It's here in Panel Settings where you can fully monitor and customize the system. Under the Status section, you can check the system status, as well as the status of any devices that are enrolled. From the Panel Configuration section, you can enable things like keypads, system labels, network configuration, and Wi-Fi. This is the point in the video where we time warp ahead after configuring all the panel settings. We can now do a quick run-through of the system status lights and what they mean. The lighting pattern is similar in each, regardless of which part of the system you're checking.
But check with the manual for any clarification you might need.
Here's a basic example in regards to the system's Wi-Fi status. On steady green indicates a strong signal connection. On steady yellow indicates a weak signal connection. On steady red means there's no signal, and the light is off when there is no Wi-Fi detected. Now, on to verifying the panel from the SmartTech dealer portal.
Okay, proceed.
In the left sidebar under the Accounts menu, navigate to the System page to ensure that the panel is connected and powered up. It's here where you can update the system's firmware. Under the Options menu, you can also restore the panel to factory default and reset, edit, or delete your gateway.
Roger that, we are good to go.
Now for the best part, enrolling all zones and devices into the iotega panel. To enroll the devices into the iotega panel, first navigate to the Panel Settings page, select Zones, then select Add Device. Devices can be enrolled in two ways, either through auto-enrollment or by entering the serial number of the device into the Add Device by Serial Number form. Let's manually enroll first. For the first example, we're going to enroll a door contact. To add by serial number form, select the Add Device tool and enter the serial number of the device in the serial number field. Once a valid serial number has been entered, additional options specific to the device will populate. Rename the zone by entering the desired zone name into the Label field. Select additional zone or device options as desired. Once all options desired are selected, submit the Add Device form.
Submitted.
Once enrolled, you will find the device directly under the respective panel settings subsections, like zones, wireless keys, wire-free keypads, sirens. Note, from the Diagnostics tab under System Control, you can conduct system and placement tests.
Okay.
Alternatively, you can auto-enroll devices. Let's auto-enroll a motion sensor next. So to add by auto-enrollment, select the Add Device tool and turn the auto-enroll option on. Once Device Auto-Enroll is on, press and hold the Device Enroll button until the LED light's steady, and then release the Enroll button while the LED is still lit. After you confirm device settings and submit the form, the zone will be added.
Got it.
Continue this method enrolling zones and Power G devices. To enroll Z-Wave home automation devices and cameras, click the Z-Wave devices or cameras sections under the Accounts menu. Alternatively, these home automation devices and cameras can be enrolled through the end-user mobile app or web portal.
More enrollment going on here than at Harvard. 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 Sorry about that. Nick?
Your iotega security system is now set up.
Super. Want to grab lunch?
Not so fast. We need to walk through the troubleshooting section first.
Of course. I knew that.
So if a trouble condition is present on the system, the trouble light keypad turns on and the system beeps every 10 seconds. Note, trouble beeps are set to silent by default. Troubles can be viewed directly from the iotega integrated keypad. View trouble details by pressing *2 on the iotega keypad. The trouble key flashes if an access code is needed. The iotega can display up to 3 layers of trouble information. Refer to the manual for more details on troubleshooting. And that's it. We're good to go.
Really? We're done?
Yeah.
Cool. You know, I feel like we should hug or something.
How about a high five?
Yeah, all right, man. That's clever. You got me.
You're not the first, Dave. So how about that lunch?
You like Italian?
Yeah, well,
You're more of a Thai guy, aren't you?
you know.
Thai guy. Thai guy. Now that's clever.
Not bad. Not bad.